This method can help answer key questions in the organic geochemistry field, such as how earth-abundant minerals influence organic molecules in deep ocean hydrothermal systems.
The main advantage of this technique is that it is low-cost, easy to use, and reliable.
Though this method can provide insight into organic mineral interactions in natural hydrothermal systems, it can also be applied to other areas, such as hydrothermal treatment of organic pollutants or biofuels hydrothermal synthesis in green chemistry. Demonstrating the procedure will be Dr. Xuan Fu from my lab.
To begin this procedure, choose a tube size and material, and determine the amounts of organic compounds and minerals to use, as outlined in the text protocol. This demonstration will be carried out using nitrobenzene and magnetite, loaded into a silica tube with an inner diameter of 2 mm and an outer diameter of 6 mm. Using a tube cutter, cut the tubing into small pieces about 30 centimeters in length. Then, use an oxyhydrogen torch with an appropriate flame head to seal one end of the tube closed. If any of the starting organic compounds are liquid, use a microliter syringe to transfer it into the tube. Using a Pasteur pipette, add the pre-weighed materials. Then, add deionized and deoxygenated water. Connect the tube to a vacuum line with a close valve. Use a clamp to tightly hold the tube, and immerse it in a Dewar flask filled with liquid nitrogen. Leave the tube in the liquid nitrogen.